Welcome to Mike's Organic Cafe. Can you call organic cakes junk? Junk is defined to sweet desserts because they're made using processed sugar and chemicals like soy lecithin. However, in my opinion, desserts like this coffee cake we're making can't be classified as junk because the ingredients are natural and there's no chemicals. And eaten at the right time after a workout or long fast means there is no harm to your beautiful bodies. So you don't have to give up eating what you love. And I tell you, the taste is 1,000,000 times better because you make it with your own hands, with love and organic ingredients. Gather the ingredients: half a cup of protein powder, 3/4 to a cup of monk fruit sweetener, butter around 100 grams, boiled coffee around half a cup, unbleached flour 2 cups, baking powder 1 tablespoon, 4 eggs, and a splash of vanilla extract for the eggs. The cream and the strawberries are for the garnish at the end. Step 1. Preheat the oven on 180 fan bake, then add the butter and the monk fruit sweetener to the dough mixer until it turns creamy. While that's happening, butter your bundt cake tray, then sprinkle a bit of flour, then remove the excess flour. Step 2. Once it's combined and looks creamy, add the eggs, vanilla extract, and half of the coffee. Then mix that for a minute, then combine the protein scoop, baking powder with the flour, then add that and turn it on slow speed to start until combined enough so the flour does not make a mess. Step 3. Pour the raw cake mix into the bundt cake tray, then shake it a bit to get the bubbles out so it cooks evenly. It smells so good. Step 4. Into the oven for around 25 to 30 on 180 degrees so it cooks slowly on low heat. Step 5. Poke the cake with a wooden stick. If it's clean, then the cake is cooked through the middle. If it's not, then put the cake for a further 10 minutes, then try again. Now don't take the cake out of the bundt tray immediately when it's hot or it will crack, so put it aside until it cools down. Step 6. While it's cooling, we can prepare our strawberries and cream. If you want more protein, add a scoop to 200 ml of organic cream, then chop up the strawberries. Step 7. Tip the pan over onto a cake display if you have one, otherwise just onto a large plate. The cake should slide off easily. Then cut a slice of your coffee protein cake, place cream on top, a few strawberries, and enjoy the sweet taste of a healthy dessert after dinner or after a long fast or even a workout. Enjoy and be seeing you.